Alright, what's up y'all? Welcome back to another video, and you already know how this shit finna go. Wait, hold on, my bad. The camera blurs a bit. What's up guys? Welcome back to a new video. Y'all see how this thing finna go. Got the bimmer right here, and then I got my other hoe. I'm just playing. Yeah, so as y'all can see from today's title of the video, finally got some spares for the bimmer, so we're gonna throw those on real quick. I went to St. Cloud last night and got some spares for this car. The guy had a whole set, gave it to me for 200 bucks. So I was like, yeah, I'll take them, because it's really just for the back. So I'm gonna have 3 different sets for the back pretty much, because the front tires, they don't really go bad. My alignment in the front is perfect. I don't shred the front. I don't got no camber in the front. So these tires last me for over a year. It's just these ones that go in 3-4 months depending on what I'm doing. So with that being said, and that's the only reason why I haven't driven the car. I was like, you know what? Like, I haven't driven this car in like 2 months since the last meet I made with it. And my logic behind it, I was like, you know what? Let me not put the new wheels on here, because if I put new tires on here, I'm gonna want to shred it. I'm gonna want to take it out. I'm gonna want to beat on it. Even though I gotta put a new rear end in it and fix all this stuff in the back, it's just gonna make me want to beat the hell out of the car. But I'm doing stuff to the G right now, and I don't want to keep driving it. So it's like, all right, either you're gonna get it together, or you're gonna take longer. So I bought new wheels, come past that deal up. They need a little bit of cleaning up. I don't know why. I think they had them plastic dipped or something orange. Only 2 of them are like that. The other two aren't. So I'm gonna jack the car up real quick, snatch these back 2 off, and then put the 2 that aren't orange on there. And we're gonna take it for a spin and see what it do. Oh yeah, let's pause the video. If you're watching right now, go ahead and hit that sub button. Please subscribe. It don't cost you nothing. Add me on Snap so you can see more stuff before YouTube. Add me on Instagram so you can see more stuff before YouTube. But yeah, y'all smash that. Y'all smash that like button, and y'all smash that sub button, because I got a lot of new viewers and not a lot of new subs. But my subs are going up pretty good though now. But with the amount of new viewers that I have compared to the amount of new subs, no comparison. So y'all, if y'all watching, hit that sub button. It don't cost you nothing. Let's get me up there so I can do something crazy with this car. This is a tire that was fucked all the way. All right, done with that. That was a whole mission. Got the new wheels on. I'm probably gonna take it to Wawa right now and put some air in them. Just take air in them. They on there. They don't look low, but you never know. I'm gonna take it up. I need to drive it anyway. The battery's slapped dead. I need to take it up there anyway. So let me move all this stuff back in the garage. I'm gonna get on the GoPro, and then we're gonna get going. See ya. All right, we're gonna get these connectors plugged up. These jumper cables. Let it sit for a minute. Ah. All right, guys. All right, first stop, gas station. Feels so good back in my car again. Ooh. Feels so good to be back in here. Chirp, 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 chirp. Oh, I missed that noise. Dang, this car feels so different compared to the G now. Cause all I do is drive the G. Here's the manual 350 right here that made me miss my shit. This one I had drove my neighbors yesterday. Not a fan of 350s, but the VQ engine gets right in anything that it's in. You hear my diff just sitting on the freaking sway bar right now. My diff is literally sitting on the sway bar. Like the mount where the diff goes broke, so the diff is just hanging down. That's why I can't drive it crazy either. Driving it normal. Damn, I miss this car so much. Oh, horsey. Oh, horsey. Just chill. All right. I miss this car so much, bro. This car brings back so many freaking memories till my AC still work. Ooh, ice cold AC. Damn, I ain't been here in so long. I can't even turn the damn things up and down. They just got stuck right there. All right, so for the ones who don't know, that don't have me on Instagram and stuff and Snap, add me if you don't, once again. But I haven't drove this car in like 3 months. I had this thing just sitting for a while. Reason being because I'm trying to finish the G. So I'm doing what I got going on for the G is almost done. I'm literally about to get tuned. I had to buy a couple more parts to get tuned. So I'm about to get tuned soon, but I got tired of spending so much money going back and forth, trying to keep up with the hype with this car at every meet, drifting and burning up all my tires. Then at the same time, trying to buy all this stuff for the G, finish building up on the G so I can get it tuned. And then it's like I got too much money everywhere. I still got a daily car and I still gotta buy gas and everything else that not a big YouTuber yet, don't have money to just slam around like that. So I was like, I gotta take a much slower approach at it. And if you guys haven't been paying attention, I've been taking a way different approach at building the G than I did with the Beamer. See, when I first got the Beamer, the first thing I did was got hit by a freaking high school kid. Freaking kid ran right into my passenger side over there, broke everything in that area pretty much. So, ouch. Ow. So, I had this whole plan where I wanted to make it like M3 and X, Y, and Z and all this other stuff, all the stuff I wanted to do to it. Especially still, it was my first manual car and it was my first real, play car, like a real toy. First rear wheel drive, manual. Heck. The car is not slow. It's slow, but it's not like dirt slow. To me, it's dirt slow, but to some of you guys, it may be. It may not be, because people who I take for a ride, they're like, it's not slow, bullshit. So, it sucks driving around in a nice ass looking car, but the shit don't go nowhere. For me, that's me personally. Some people don't care. Some people like low and slow. I'm not a slow person. I want to have speed. I like to race. I like to do different things. So low and slow just ain't it for me. Whenever time somebody pull up next to me, they beating me. No. So with the G, I'm taking a completely different approach. I'm doing performance first, getting it all, bolt on, tuned, doing whatever I want to do performance wise, getting it running strong and hard first. And I haven't done anything looks wise besides the interior, and that's just because My homeboy pretty much gave it to me. So, you know, got it for a good ass deal, so I'm not gonna pass that up. But yeah, I haven't lowered it. I haven't put any different wheels. I mean, I put the different wheels on it now because those blew up, and my other buddy had some for me. So, but other than that, I haven't really, you know, lowered it. Spent no money on paint, you know, headlights, halos, and all of this XYZ stuff. It's just been stuff that I actually need, and everything else that I've been spending on this car is just all going into performance stuff. So yeah, two completely different takes on it, because everybody's like, when you gonna lower the G? When you gonna make the G look nice? When you gonna stance it? Bro, like, I'm taking a completely different approach at it because I did that already. I got lowered and stanced and everything with this car. So with the G, I got performance fast as shit after everything's done. And then, you know, the G, it doesn't look bad anyway. So I could leave the car how it is right now, and it's fine. I don't have to go extra mile and try to build this car, do everything to this car, and build that car, do everything to that car. Look at this Z. But yeah, it's like, you know, one thing at a time. It's 2 years overdue. I told my buddy, I was like, yo, you know, I had this car for 2 years and I still haven't tuned it yet. And he was like, what the are you waiting for? Yeah, I know. It be like that sometimes. Put some fresh gas in here first. Ooh, I don't want to cut it off though. Yeah, I know he ain't ready yet. I'm gonna leave it on. Nobody don't steal my shit. Come on, 10. Hi. Thank you.
But of course. You got a camera on your head. I'm not sure if you knew that.
Yeah. Your turn. You're welcome. Excuse me.
687, right at chicken.
Excuse me. Hello.
Oh, sir, I can help you
Oh,
right
this side? No, you're all right. Excuse me.
What can I get for you today?
50 on 10, please.
Pump 10?
Yes, ma'am.
$50. Did you want the receipt when we are all done?
No, it's okay.
It's ready for payment when you are.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good one. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. People be so nice to me for whatever reason. Dang, it's so dirty. Look at it. Dirty. 3 months. 3 months with no touchy. $50 is done. Are you gonna back on up over there to, oh, the air pump is out of order. No. This thing looks so nice. I went and got that Y pipe.
You got it?
Yeah.
Nice, good.
I went and got the Y pipe. Huh?
You put it on yet?
Not yet. I bought it, but I didn't put it on yet. I went to D-Land to get it. He was in D-Land.
Oh.
So when I came back, it was like 8 o'clock. I was like,
Too late.
I'll do it later. I was honestly just gonna wait for the plenum spacer to come in, so I was doing both at the same time. Yeah.
Yes.
I'm not gonna be driving it for like a week now that I'm driving that again. So it's just gonna be sitting in the yard.
Back on track with the BM?
Yeah. I just needed the tires for it. I just didn't want to get them because I was like, if I get them, I'm gonna want to shred it. But I gotta learn how to control my urges, right?
Yeah, exactly.
There you go.
Expecting this thing to smoke like crazy.
Yeah, I smoked the other night. Remember?
Yeah. Oh yeah, you go here.
It was only like 2 seconds, and it was like.
Yeah, I'm expecting it to go crazy on smoke for first couple of minutes. I'm gonna put up the side.
I drove a manual Z last
I
night.
literally just saw the video.
You saw it? Oh my gosh.
You had a blast.
I had a blast. The guy was like, bro, how the fuck? It never felt this way before. I was like, you don't know how to drive like me, bro. Driver's error. Oh, no. Woo! Oh yeah. It did smoke like crazy.
It has to do plenty more of that, I'm sure.
Yeah. Every time you tap the gas, it was like.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. Made it back to the cribbo. Brought the Beamer back home. Now I got the Beamer outside right here and the G up here. The plan is to not drive this car until I really need to, or until we get ready to go get the tune. I can drive this now. This car is actually way better on gas than the G is. The G just be drinking gas like a motherfucker. I don't know why. They're both, maybe because the G is more high compression and maybe because of bigger displacement. But yeah, the G drinks way more gas. The Beamer saves me a little bit of gas, even though I beat the crap out of them both the same. Not gonna be beating on this one though. Keep this one just chilling for now. You know, I want everything to last on it while while I'm driving it until that gets done. Cause right after that gets done and tune, I'm gonna go to start fixing the rear end on this car. But yeah, man, thank y'all for watching. Feels good to be back driving my baby after 2 months. Got a stank ass Scat Pack right here, my arch enemy. But the plan is, when that car gets tuned, I should be beating these. I ain't saying nothing, but I'm saying something. With that being said, see y'all on the next one. Keep up with the channel. Make sure y'all subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what y'all want to see next. Peace.